Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bulk import companies to your contacts tab using a CSV file. This comes in really handy if you're migrating from another system, for example, so you can literally import hundreds of thousands of contacts with a CSV file. You also have full control over the updates. Do you want to create a new contact, or do you want to update an existing contact? Or maybe both. And before you finally import the new data or update the existing data, you will be able to review and map certain fields to keep all your data clean. Please note that you need to be an admin in order to be allowed to upload contacts. The upload file has to be a CSV file. The maximum file size can be 30 megabyte. It will only pull one sheet or tab on that CSV file. The first row must contain headers, and the headers should match existing standard or custom fields. So before uploading, make sure that you prepare your Excel sheet or your CSV file properly, and make sure the required fields must contain valid values. Please note that custom fields must already exist inside of your account. If you're updating records, make sure to include the correct identifier, for example, record ID or company ID and so on. Now let me show you how you can do this. So let's navigate to contacts on the left, click companies at the top, and then click the import button right here. And right here we start with the first step to select objects. So we have already kind of like pre-selected companies. Let's click next. And here you can just drag and drop your CSV file. You can also download a sample file right here to know how to format the file properly that works with the CRM. Right here you need to select, do you want to create companies, do you want to create and update companies, or do you just want to update companies? And from here you can find the unique identifier, which then identifies the duplicates. So in this case, it's the basis of the company ID. Once done, hit next. And right here you can see the fields required to create a company is the company name, and to update a company is the company ID. So scrolling further down, here you can see the mapping area. Right now, everything has been mapped fully correctly. Now, in case this wouldn't be mapped, you can just click the drop-down menu and then look for email and select the email, for example. Scrolling further down, you can see different data is not mapped, and that's fine. Created and updated will not be mapped. The system will skip these empty values automatically. If there's any error, that will be highlighted and you will see it right here. But since everything has been mapped successfully, we can see the green tick right here and continue. Right now, here we then just agree that we don't need to import the data in 3 unmapped columns. Let's click next. In this last step, you have the chance to verify once more before importing, because keep in mind, once you click start import, this action is irreversible. You cannot undo this action. Let's click start import, and the import has started. Here we can see the progress. Let's click on view bulk actions, and the action has already been completed since we just had a small amount of companies. Let's go back, and here you can see 2 companies have been imported. Please note, only one custom object can be imported at a time. You cannot import multiple custom objects. System fields can also not be modified through imports. If there is a conflict within a unique field, that specific row will just fail. The rest of the import will continue. If you want to revise the bulk actions, you just go to bulk actions and review the history. Well, I hope you like this feature, which will help you to get your CRM up and running a lot faster. And that's it. Please make sure to check out all of our other free resources, bonuses, white label videos, and snapshots linked in the description below. I will see you over there.